So what is the right time to publish your first video on YouTube? And the answer for that is like it's not gonna be the same answer for everyone. Everyone is different. In the past, I had a channel. It was my main channel. I was publishing 2 videos a week, and I reached 1,000 subscribers in 2 years. But in order to accomplish that, I had to think about this project for 2 years. So it took me 2 years to upload my first video. And now there's a big difference, because in this new channel which you're watching right now, everything is so different. Because now I decided to start a new channel like a month before, like in December, and by the next month I was already uploading videos. So the big difference here is that now I have something that is very important to everyone, which is experience. And in my first channel, I lost it. I had to unpublish all the videos. I had to put them in private because I had a problem in the past, and I broke the YouTube rules. And I was so sad, because I mean, like, if you're putting a lot of effort and a lot of work into a channel, and I had like more than 200 videos in that channel, and I had to throw everything in the garbage. But on the other side, I gain experience. And if we compare my first channel and this channel, I have to say that in this channel everything is going faster and it's easier. And in my first channel, everything was challenging. Everything was something that I have to force myself. I have to push myself to get through. And just to give you an example, I was shy and I was in my room talking to a camera, and I couldn't do it well. And then right now I don't have my studio, because in the past I had a studio. I painted the walls and I had lighting and everything, all that stuff. And right now I don't have that. I lost everything. I lost the channel, I lost my studio, and now I have to improvise, going outdoors and find a spot so I can record these videos. So it's gonna be a challenge, even if you're in a room or you're outside. And if you're a shy person and if you have like some sort of fear, just do it. Like, there's no way to get around it if you don't face it. And if you're scared of making videos indoors, like in your room, do it. That's fine. And you have a big advantage. No one is watching you in that room. And on the other hand, like myself right now, I have to go outside and find a place, and like there's always people walking by. So now I have to deal with talking to the camera, and also deal with people walking by. So at the very end, it all depends on you. If you decide to take 2 years to upload your first video, you can take 2 years. If you decided, and if you push yourself to make it in the next month, you can make it in the next month or even tomorrow. Just push yourself and jump in. And just to finish up, just keep in mind that everyone is different. Everyone is gonna have their own time. Everyone is gonna have their own experience. You don't have to go through my stuff. Like, you can do better than me. You don't have to lose a channel. You don't have to lose more than 200 videos. You don't have to lose more than 1,000 subscribers. You don't have to do that. Just keep one channel, keep uploading your videos, and don't strive to perfection. Like, just do it. And if you make mistakes, that's fine. That's wonderful. Because if you have those mistakes and you laugh and like you don't talk well, you can just cut the video and put all those mistakes at the very end. So when people see that, they're gonna laugh and they're gonna think about you. Like, and if you give information, you did something different, and some other people don't do that. Like, you give information plus a laugh, and that's very good for the audience.